Hello YouTubers, how we all doing? All you brew lovers and you beer lovers. Now today we're going to do a few Camden beers, Camden Town beers. Now last week we went to have a look round, we done the tour, absolutely fantastic. Anyway, I've done a few beers but I'm going to do a couple more. Some we've already done, some we haven't. Anyway, we're going to crack these open and try them out. Had a wonderful day down there, absolutely brilliant. Right, here we go. First one, Pinot Lager. Now we've done this one on the tour, but I'm going to crack it open and give it another go. They sell the cans down there, absolutely brilliant they were down there. You can get food down there. It's a great day. We had a wonderful time in the door. Anyway, got the old Budweiser glass. Let's whack it in there. Pinot Lager. Lovely name. Let's have a look at that. And the beer's so fresh down there. Absolutely beautiful. That's a lovely can, isn't it? I do like that. I've done a good job there. Lager. Brilliant. Anyway, that's that one. Let's have a little snifter. Picking up like a coconut aroma coming through. It's an unfiltered lager. Can have a look at that. See it up there. It's unfiltered. Anyway, cheers everyone. Let's see how she tastes. Ooh. Oh, that's absolutely wonderful. It's got a coconutty taste there. I can taste lemons at the back end, like a lovely lemony taste, or lime. It's like a lime taste coming through. Absolutely wonderful. It's their Arch 55 series. This is. It's a small batch they've done to try it out. And I think it's a lovely beer. That is nice. It's got a lime coming through. Absolutely beautiful. It's got a slight coconut creamy taste. Very, very nice. I think they use Pilsner, I think Pilsner they use in it. Pilsner malt. Anyway, it's very nice. It's a cracking beer. And when you go down there, see that one there. When you go down there, you can try all different beers that I haven't seen before. And you can buy a few cans. Anyway, the next one from the old Camden Town is an hazy lager, tropical, 6%. Now the other one was 4.5, the Pinot Lager. Yeah, tropical hazy lager by Camden Town Brewery. Beautiful cans. We see the canning machine down there. Look, absolutely wonderful. We see all these labels. Brilliant the way they do it. Yeah, an hazy lager, 6%. So let's crack it open, see what this is all about. Let's chuck her in there. Oh, mind that. Chuck her in there. See how she looks. It's supposed to be an hazy lager. Here we go. Beautiful can, just like the other one. Let's try and wedge it up there. Beautiful cans they got down there. Lovely people down there, you know. I can't thank them enough. Absolutely brilliant day. I definitely would do it again. And if you can, book it up. The Camden Town tour. So do it. Anyway, let's have a little snifter. Oh yeah, it smells citrus. Citrus coming through. Citrus notes. Anyway, let's dive in. Let's see how this one is. It's got a smooth mouthfeel. I think they put flaked oats in this one. It looks like it's unfiltered again. That is delicious. Citrus notes coming through, like a grapefruity taste. Very, very nice. Very smooth and refreshing. Absolutely wonderful. Camden Town. Thank you very much. Oh, that is so refreshing. In a hot summer's day, a couple of these beers here, you'll be in heaven. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I was well pleased with the tour. Absolutely fantastic. And do lovely food down here. Had a great day. That is very, very nice. 6%. It don't taste like 6%. It's an hazy lager, but very, very nice. Let's get that up here. Put in there. Lovely cans. I'm loving the cans. Anyway, our next one, we got to do a stout. The old Camden Stout. Smooth. Anyway, it's got a little widget in here. Little special widget. I'm going to crack her open and see what she's like. Oh, yes, the old widget's gone off. Here's my old glass. This wacky. It's a lovely can. Do like it. I did taste this one down there. Absolutely loved it. I loved all their beers. We had a cracking day. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let it settle. Another lovely can. Stick it up there. Let it settle. Look at that. Beautiful stout. Absolutely lovely. Finger and a half head. Let's have a little snifter. Smells chocolatey. And in this one, it's got Pilsner malt in it, roast barley, chocolate malt. Anyway, let's dive in. Beautiful smell, absolutely wonderful. Cheers everyone. Let's crack in. Slotcha. Ooh. Oh, that is so smooth. That's beautiful. Do you know, that reminds me of the London Black. If you ever tasted the London Black, it's a bit like that. There's no coffee in it, but it's a lovely chocolate smoothness coming through. It's a creamy pint of stout. And if you ain't tried it, the old Camden Stout, go and buy some. Absolutely beautiful. It's so refreshing. Now that is 4%. Normal stout is about 4.2. And that is delicious though. Refreshing, smooth, creamy. Anyway, if you ain't tried it, give that a go. The old Camden Stout. Anyway, that's my 3 beers today. We bought them down there. Absolute refreshing and wonderful. Absolutely nectar. What a great day we had. I don't want to keep going on about it, but you've got to do the tour. Go down to Camden Town It's easy to get to. Get the train, get the underground, you're there. It's got a lovely coffee shop next to it. Gonna have a lovely cup of coffee in there. Me and my daughter had a cup of coffee in there. Absolutely wonderful. I think my daughter had a tea. I forget the name of her tea. It's that, like a milky tea she had. And I had a lovely cup of coffee down there. Get you all ready for the tour. And some lovely beers. Anyway, get yourselves on down there and have a good time. It's well worth it. I think it's £30 a ticket, but you get beers with it. You get it's a fantastic day. I'll definitely do it again. Absolutely brilliant. So cheers everyone. Thanks very much for watching. I've got to sit down here, drink these wonderful Camden Town beers. Absolutely wonderful. And you know what it's time for now? The old, let's get out of here. Let's get down Camden Town and get down that brewery. Cheers everyone. Thank you very much.